Everyone thinks the best-selling toolbox for trucks is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: VEVOR Trailer Tongue Box. Let's kick things off with the VEVOR Trailer Tongue Box. Priced at $87.90, this heavy-duty tool storage solution caught my eye with its sleek black design and impressive capacity. If you want a reliable way to keep your tools organized and secure, this is worth a serious look. This trailer tongue box boasts a spacious 36x12x12 inches of storage, meaning you can easily fit your tools, batteries, and even outdoor gear without them getting lost. What really stands out is its carbon steel construction. It's lightweight yet sturdy, so you're not adding unnecessary weight to your truck, which is a huge plus. Plus, it's designed to handle the elements with its weather-resistant features, keeping your items safe from rain and snow. Users love that it has a locking mechanism that keeps their tools secure, with over 400 positive reviews indicating it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about its size being too big for smaller trucks. Here's the thing though, if you need ample storage for your gear, the size is actually a benefit, making it a great choice for larger vehicles. This toolbox is perfect for you if you have a pickup truck or RV and need a solid storage solution. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact or have a smaller vehicle. For its price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if that size concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: DEWALT TSDAK Toolbox. Next up is the DEWALT TSDAK Toolbox, retailing at just $34.85. This one immediately stands out with its extra-large design and removable tray, which caught my attention for how practical it seems. If you need easy access to your most used tools, this is definitely worth considering. Plus, it features a flexible stacking system, so you can customize your storage based on your needs. The removable tray makes it super convenient for grabbing the essentials without digging around. With over 12,300 reviews and an impressive rating of 4.8 stars, it's clear that many users appreciate its functionality and ease of use. However, I did see some complaints about the lack of a locking mechanism. Here's the deal: if security is your top priority, this might not be the best fit. But if you're more concerned about accessibility and organization, it still delivers on that front. This toolbox is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a contractor who needs reliable portable storage. Skip this if you're looking for something that offers high security. For under $35, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a modular system. Product number 3: Keter Stack and Roll Organizer. The Keter Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer comes in at $119.99. This three-piece rolling system caught my eye because of its innovative design. If you want a customizable mobile storage solution, this is worth checking out. With a capacity of 165 pounds, this system is not just about storage, but about mobility. The audible latches that snap shut give you peace of mind that your tools are secure, while the telescopic handle and durable wheels make it easy to transport anywhere. Users rave about its versatility, reflected in its 4.7-star rating from 1,200 reviews. One downside some users noted is that the plastic material might not be as sturdy as metal options. I get it. If you're looking for something that can withstand a beating, that could be a deal breaker. But for most users who need something mobile and practical, this isn't a major issue. This is perfect for you if you often work in different locations and need mobility. Skip this if you prefer a more rugged metal toolbox. It's a good value for the features you're getting. Now, if you're looking for something a bit simpler and more focused on mounting, the next product is just for you. Product number 4: Upgraded Truck Toolbox Mounting Kit. For those of you who already have a toolbox but need a mounting solution, let's talk about the Upgraded Truck Toolbox Mounting Kit by TCHEMPART, priced at only $10.39. It's a simple yet effective solution I was excited to see. If you're tired of your toolbox shifting around, this is definitely worth your attention. The heavy-duty aluminum construction ensures it won't rust or break, giving you long-lasting performance. Plus, the no-drill installation means you won't damage your truck bed, which is something many users appreciate. With a 4.7-star rating from 820 reviews, it's clear that it's meeting a solid demand. Some users did mention that the installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing, if you're not DIY inclined, that might be frustrating. But once you figure it out, the peace of mind knowing your toolbox is secured is worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you already own a toolbox and need a reliable mounting solution. Skip this if you're looking for an all-in-one toolbox. At this price, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if you want a full toolbox that's built tough, let's look at the last product. Product number 5, ARKSEN Diamond Plate Toolbox. Finally, we have the ARKSEN 49x15x15-inch diamond plate truck bed toolbox, priced at $239.96. This heavy-duty option really caught my attention with its sturdy design. If you need something rugged and waterproof, this is worth considering. Constructed from high-strength aluminum, this toolbox is both lightweight and durable. Users love its portability, thanks to the side handles and the fact that it's waterproof and dustproof, ensuring your tools stay dry. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 1,300 reviews, it's clear that this product has a strong following. However, some users found it slightly heavy when full. Here's the thing, if you're looking for a toolbox that's super easy to carry around, this might be a concern. But if you want something that won't buckle under pressure, the weight is a small trade-off. This toolbox is perfect for you if you need a durable storage solution for your tools in rugged conditions. Skip this if you're after something lightweight. For the durability and features, it's a worthwhile investment. So to wrap it up, we've explored the VEVOR trailer tongue box for spacious storage, the DEWALT TSDAK for accessibility, the Keter stack and roll for mobility, the upgraded truck toolbox mounting kit for secure mounting, and the ARKSEN diamond plate for durability. Each has its strengths depending on what you need, so choose the one that fits your situation best.